Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my project mini build. Today going to be continuing with the front suspension, just getting the top arms in with the cones, new cones, high lows and everything, so I can then drop the subframe out of the car and concentrate on cleaning up the engine bay, ready for paint. I've already cleaned up the outer wings. I've just got a little bit more to cut off down here, clear the front end, but other than that it's all good. This is all nice, it's all cleaned up nicely. Did a couple of welds, strengthening welds on the front bit, so this is now rock solid. So this is all going to go stone chip, so I'm just going to carry on stone chip all here, and then the inside in the engine bay is all just going to be black, just because I think it looks neat. So today's task is to try and get all the front suspension, or the upper arms, on. I'm not fussed about the lower arms or anything. Can't do hubs or anything yet because still waiting for drive shaft bits. So going to try and maybe do that at the weekend. We're Wednesday now, so I've got an order from Mini Spares that's due sometime this week. And that should get me hopefully the rest of the bits that I need to get the engine in the subframe, and then at some point once it's all painted I can get the subframe up in the car. But at the moment I've set myself a deadline, so we're the 17th of June now. I'd quite like to have all the bodywork side of it done by the end of June, so that gives me all of July and half of August to piece the car back together, which I think is just about achievable if I pull my finger out. We'll just have to see. One of my dailies has got its MOT tomorrow, so if that fails then that'll eat up some time. So we'll just have to see how it goes. So fingers crossed it passes, and yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here we go. So this is basically where we left it last episode, me being quite frustrated not being able to get the front arms in. Now a colleague at work kindly lent me a proper tool, so we can at least compress the cones now. So let's get on with it. So one of the things we've got to do to be able to do that is remove the tower bolts. So I've reinstated these brace bars, so at least the subframe's held rear and front. So I feel a bit happier about taking the tower bolts out. So I guess we'll start with that. Right, no idea how well this is going to go because threads on these things seem pretty naff, to be honest. So I'm just going to try winding it in without the rest of the tool on, see if it'll even start, because on the other one it won't even start. side. Nope. I think we might be on. Yes. That's fine. The trouble is with these brand new, supposedly genuine cones, is the upper part of the thread rubber, which is quite annoying. And because it's bonded rubber, it doesn't come out very easily. Right, let's give this a go. I don't think I need to compress it very much. Firmly got it anyway. So now make sure it's located. Working. Jesus, I reckon that's hopefully enough. Yeah, it's compressed quite a lot, so let's give it a whirl. Right, so now as you can see from that, our cone is quite considerably shorter. Hopefully short enough. I think it's particularly fiddling to get in. That's in there. So then we've got shaft. So what you can see from this side is that big fat washer locates in there. Then you've got this plate. Okay, it's on there. You've got your 2 bolts going there. That basically just holds up washer, that spacer alignment in place. And you've got your big nut spring washer on this side. And then the same under here. So they'll fit those. Obviously with plenty of copper slip in case this all has to come apart again 10,000 miles down the road. Hopefully it doesn't, you never know. I just want to double check this does go in. Yes. Yeah, because I'd be pretty annoyed if I did it all up and found they didn't fit. Right, so not quite seem right, so I'm going to check that, but I think what it's going to require is nuts changing or something. That's fine. So then the last thing I need to do before I release the spring compressor is fit my bump stop again. Quite annoying. I released it and forgot to do that. So that's nice, and a little tiny bit of stiction there. Not really sure. Still feels a bit tight to me. Obviously the grease nipple's not tight. okay with everything. Yeah. Well, looks like I haven't got any 3/8 unit nuts, so I'm going to have to order some nice nuts and washers for all this lot. But for now, give you an idea of looking at. Yeah, starting to look good. Starting to look very good. Yeah, happy with that. That's all I'm going to do now. Let's just do the other side. There's no point filming that. So for tonight, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.